Hi guys, today I'll show you how to make apple fritters. These are a quick and easy snack or dessert. All the ingredients and measurements are in a link right below this video. I've peeled and cut up my apples into small chunks. Heat up a little butter in a pan, add the apples, pinch of salt, and saute for a few minutes. Leave them in a single layer and they'll get some color on them. Add sugar, ground cinnamon. Mix just until the sugar melts. Remove the apples from the pan and put them aside to cool down. Heat up enough oil to fry the fritters. I'm using vegetable oil. To make the batter, to a bowl, add all-purpose flour, baking powder, salt, and sugar. Mix this up. For the wet ingredients, we'll need whole milk, a large egg, oil, whisk this, pour the wet ingredients over the dry ingredients, make a smooth batter, add the cooled apples, and mix it in. We'll drop tablespoons of batter into the hot oil. We'll coat the fritters in cinnamon sugar. To a bowl, add sugar and ground cinnamon. Just mix it up. If you don't want to use cinnamon sugar, you can always coat the fritters in powdered sugar. The oil's hot, now we can fry the apple fritters. Drop them by the tablespoon. They will puff up and you want the insides to cook. Try to spread them a little when you pour the batter. Just lay them across the oil. Flip them over when they're golden brown. They cook very quickly. You can drain them right into the cinnamon sugar. You can see the soft apple inside. The middle is cooked. It's a little crispy on the outside. It's so good and it was very quick to make. Because they're smaller and a little bit flatter, they cook properly inside. The apples are soft and have flavor because we sauteed them first. If you don't like your fritters too sweet, coat only one side of the fritters with the cinnamon sugar. Sometimes I eat them plain without any sugar on top. Since we added sugar to the batter, the fritters are already a little bit sweet. I love to eat these hot fritters with a cup of tea or coffee. Since they cook in about 2 minutes, you can whip these up very quickly. Make these and let me know how you like them. Subscribe and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.